Guys, so, may bag ako. Ito, binigay sa akin. Wow, so beautiful and ethical. Oh, ethical. Hindi, dapat, it's so professional and ethical. Yeah. Why is it kind of pink? It's kind of pink. But it's fun because it's fun. Look, it looks so cute. Pussy? Got to be. Oh, where's the. Why? It looks so weird. Sa cellphone, ang pa-cellphone, sa cellphone, sa cellphone. Yeah. Okay, so, lagyan natin ang
That's all we.
laman.
That's all we do.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's get all of the things. We just get all of the things and all. Wait a minute. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, I can't even hold it properly. Oh my gosh. I know. It's falling down. Oh, it's heavy. Guys, tulog. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard? I'll carry the bag, then carry the phone, then carry the pencil case, then carry the fan. Okay, I think we got this. Okay, we do got this. Oh my gosh, we got it. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's put everything in my bag. I look so pretty. So let's put everything in the. I don't close the curtain, but it's so hot because I'm hot. No, just joking. JK. Super. Asan yun? OMG, where is it? Okay. So, ilagay natin ito sa bag. Bawal tawag dito. I don't know. Just put it on. Silly boy. Oh, ow! Natusok ako. The best husband, the best father, and the safest place for me. No, I can't do it. No, I don't think mabubutas siya. Wait. What if dito lang? I try to make it work. OMG! My God, it's so hard. So hard. Di naman sa pinakalikod eh. Mahirap pa. Dito lang, mga tin lang. Yes! This! Ayan. But we need to first. And I feel like a fever, like a burning. Finally, we got it. Like a fever, like I'm burning alive, like a sign. Okay, that. And I see her in the back of my mind all the time. And I see her in the back of my mind all the time. Did I cross the line? Okay, put the notebook. Put another notebook. It's EPP. We got GMRC, Science, English, Math, and EPP. Okay. I love math, but it's so hard. Wait lang, init. It's so hard. Okay, perfect. Init kasi. Okay. So, yeah. Which I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. Anyway, I'd let it to my head. I'd rather take somewhere. OMG, where's my AP notebook? Did I freaking drop it? I freaking dropped it. Or I forgot about it. Yeah, I forgot about it. It's not here. Why it's not here? I think I lost it. I know. Actually, according to my calculations, I don't know. Kinda hate that word. Oh my gosh, it's not here. Oh my gosh. Okay na? Nakapenrasa. Oh, it's right here. Ryan, you love me and cry. No, I don't mean the AP is here. I mean the icon. I'm so tired. That was just a few minutes ago. Ryan, you love me and cry. Mom. Okay. I don't know why, but I'm already tired. What? Pag wala ang aking AP, di asan? Pwede ko dyan. Ano naman ako ng sa parang notebook. My God.
Okay, here you go. This is yours
We need
now.
to charge. Okay, thank you. Just put it there. We need to charge the fan. Probably my charger. You love me in the quiet moments. The best husband, the best father, and the safest place for me. Okay, charge lang natin. What? What?
This is yours.
Okay, just put it right there.
If you need it, I'll
Okay, now, let's put this. Actually, ito alcohol sa, alcohol siya pero amoy pa bang, pero ubos na. So let's refill. Bango? Parang lakas na kami. Lakas na kami. Lakas ng alcohol. Mas mabango yung dati. Kaya ko lang ito nalagyan. Ito kasi binili sa akin. So yes, naubos ko ang alcohol na itong laman na itong kulong. Ay, nako. Ang cute niya sa likod na tatapon. Isip ko. Ilang minuto na pala tayo. Okay, let's refill. So scared. Pag may sugat talaga ako, B. Tapos nalagyan ng alcohol. Okay. Perfect. It's puno-puno na. Ito para sa school. Ito para sa packing order ko. Ah. Kahit wala akong sugat. Safest place for me. The best house, the best fire, and the safest place. Teka, nangali ako. Okay. Finally, puno na tong dalawa. So, di pa nga half. May isa pa naman dyan. So, let's go. Rihanna, Raya, oh my gosh. Aray ko.
Sweet sunshine.
Summer, do you want this?
Oh yeah.
Wait lang.
I want it.
Glow in the dark ba to? Sabi ng class ko glow in the dark.
Kasi I want it.
Ah!
I'm okay. Kasi
Sorry
but it's a little bit hurt. Kasi
Hindi glow in the dark. You need to put it in your nails.
in my nails, I love that.
Okay, come on.
Kasi I love that. I want the flower and the cinnamon. I want all of the cinnamon. Like this. The
Only
blue one.
cinnamon?
Yes. Oh, I love it.
So, lagay ko muna sa kamay, bay. Wait lang. Okay, tapos na tayo. Okay, let me just put some things in my bag. Like, nothing, basta. lang kami.
It's so pretty.
Can you get me the alcohol there? Alcohol. Good sticker.
Oh, Kasi, where did you get that?
My friend gave it to me, Ava.
Oh, Awa. I'm just gonna shoot in a video.
Just got new nails. Tapos guys, bago akong photo card. Excuse me, Summer. Ito, may bago tayong photo card, guys. Tapos, last one na bibili ko na to ay leg warmers. Ito, may photo card sa loob. It's, ilang piece ba? 55 pieces.
Because it's so satisfying.
Pero wala pa siyang binder. Pero may binder. Wala pa akong pang sa kanya. Paborito ko talaga si Rosie. Kaya nilagay ko siya sa unahan. I love her so much. Ito, may mga lalagyan naman. Pero may laman. Like this. Ito, new jeans. Ito, twice. So, ito, Blackpink. Susunod siguro pag naubos na lahat ng photo card. May lalaki kasi ako. Treasure siya. Dapat bibili ako in Hypen pero ayaw ko kasi kukunin lang ng kuya ko. Ay, he loves in Hypen so much. So yeah, I'm not giving him some. So dalawa natin sa school, ibebenta natin. Ito. Tapos susunod na yung mga iba. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy. And we're also dala-dala this. Madami tayong dala. Wait lang guys, nakakunin lang ako. Wait a minute. Dito na pala siya sa ulo ko guys. Dito na pala siya. It's in my head. So, let's put on. Fighter. So, yeah. So, lagyan ko na lang cellphone since ayan o cellphone ko. Dadala ko cellphone.
Kasi, why are you gonna bring your phone?
I can bring my phone.
In school?
Yeah.
Why? Is your teacher's not mad?
No. But he's mad at others, but not me because I'm teacher's pet. No, just joking. Joke lang, guys.
Your teacher's like, I don't know, you're still good. I just got it.
Cute.
And look at my nails. Wait,
Agad pa ka maisip nyo, okay naman ang shirt ni Rian. No. Ano lang talaga, mahaba lang talaga damit ko, guys. I'm not that tall. Sana pwede magsuot ng kahit ano sa school. Gusto ko suotin kung itong ano na damit. Pero ibahan ko to, parang papantalon na. Tapos ganito ako, makeup, so gano'n. Tapos pag maliit, okay na naman. Mga 6, gano'n baka. Pag 7, hindi na. So, yeah. Bye-bye. Yun lang ang gagawin natin ngayon. So, please like and, please like and subscribe. And about that crying video, joke lang yun. Pero, mag-subscribe talaga kayo. Kasi I'm losing subs naman, totoo naman rin yun. And totoo naman rin na actually guys, it's another prank. Prank na naman, umiyak talaga ako. And I'm cringing, kaya sinabi ko prank. Kasi nakikringe ako sa iyak ko. Pero, sabihin ko na ngayon na di talaga siya prank. Totoo talaga yung umiyak ako. Umiiyak ako kasi pinagalitan na ni kuya. Tapos, pag wala silang mama at papa, ayoko. Pero minsan gusto ko kasi, tapos tawag-tawag, wilin, ganun. Galit kasi nun si kuya sa akin. Tapos, I'm losing subs nga. So, please subscribe. And sorry about the prank. I'm sorry. Okay, so, mga 20 minutes na tayo dito. So, bye-bye! Babush!